The man, Ajit Thakur himself. Sir, please, over to you.
So while the photo ops are happening, I think it's important to thank a lot of people who've been behind there. AHA team, stay there, stay where you are in your corner. We're going to thank a lot of people behind this. Stay right there. So I'll start my vote of thanks by first thanking Mr. Allu Arjun and Vijay Devarakonda for getting us started. The two stalwarts and pillars of AHA, Allu Arvind sir and Ram Rao, thank you for your guidance every day. And I think it's important today for us to remember the one person behind both of these bosses of mine, Chairman Mr. Rameshwar Rao. Sir, every time you give me a bigger target, and we love you for that. Dilraju sir, thank you so much. I've interacted less with you, but I know you're one of the forces behind AHA. We've forgotten to thank two people who have helped us a lot in this journey. Bunny Vasu, wherever you are, I know you're busy today, but Bunny Vasu, a big thank you for helping us on AHA, and Sai Gopal. Rajiv Reddy, Sharat Marar, and Alu Sirish. So thank you so much for getting us started, Sharat. You're the original team of AHA before we came in. Sirish is not here today, but Sirish was a key member of our kickoff team. I really want to thank them. Then I would like to thank our stalwarts of content. Vamshi Paidipalli, you've been a rock star today. That 3-hour late night sessions are really working. I think it's showing on AHA. Yeah. And that, Alu Bobby, thank you again. Nandini Reddy and V.I. Anand, wherever you are, all the pain you have gone through with us. A big thank you, Nandini. You'll always remain dear for us. All our producers, directors, technicians, and cast of the shows on AHA, who are all here, all of you don't go away. There's a little dinner next door, and you will have invitations for after. Special one for Navdeep and that guy, Harsha. Harsha is in every show of ours. He's like the new pandemic on AHA. It's like Tamasha, Jam, he's there everywhere. Photo, and you name it, Harsha's there. And Navdeep, you got us started, you're a lucky mascot, both of you. Our partners in product, especially HRH, ViewLift, NextGen, AIPlex, Qualitrix, and many more. Thank you for all that you do. Manik, a special thank for you for everything you have done for us. Our partners in marketing, two people I love dearly, Gautam and Vivek, and the entire team of PAD. Thank you so much for everything that you do. Everyone at PAD, we are very, very proud to have you as partners. Plus, Group M, motivator, especially within that. Sokrati team, we love you. Avinash, I know you're here. Thank you so much. And the whole Sokrati team. Mozart, for helping us with PR. Chai Biscuit, and not the least, Vamshi and Nani Kaka. Vamshi Kaka and Nani for all the help with this event included. I would also like to thank our sponsors. Yash from Ratndeep is here. Yash, thank you for all the support. I'm not sure if you're still here, but we'll get this covered on TV. I would like to thank Happy Bar, Lalita Jewelers, and SG Consulting for today. Yeah, guy, Happy Bars also. Our content partners, especially a dear friend of mine, Aditya is here. Aditya Music and Mango Ram. Wherever you are, thank you very much. I think you made an exit. KPMG and Ormax, friends from that. And to keep it towards the end, guys, team, stay on. We have you there. So I would like to thank, first and foremost, for today's thing, all my friends from Sol. You guys rock. Team Sol, thank you so much. Fazila, really love you. Shreyas Events, Srinu, with all the ups and downs, you always pull it off. So wherever Srinu is, thank you so much, Srinu. I'll see you soon. Srinu, thanks for everything that you do for us on an almost weekly basis now. On cue, almost a lucky charm. I almost had withdrawal symptoms that you guys didn't come, so we got you at the last minute. Harshal and his mad bunch, guys, you rocked it. Arvind sir was going on and on about these rocking dancers. You guys were awesome. I also want to thank Vishnu and Moni from Hoichoi, who got us started, and Madhu Mantena, who did the initial introduction and set me up with that man called Allu Arvind. And last but not the least, this fabulous, fabulous, fabulous angels from AHA, who work 16 hours a day 7 days a week to make it all happen. Guys, thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. See you soon on the dinner side.